What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. And yeah, we're gonna do kind of like a summary video for the entire year. I wanted to share with you guys all the sneakers I was able to cop for the personal collection at the Nike outlets. Why? Because that's where I do most of my shopping. That's kind of where I go primarily to look for sneakers, and that's kind of what I share with you guys. That's kind of what I vlog about mostly. Yeah, I actually was surprised. I didn't get as many sneakers as I thought. I had to write them down because, you know, I got quite a few. But yeah, I didn't get as many as I thought. I really thought I got more. But I guess I found a bunch at regular retailers, and I did pay retail for quite a few pair of shoes as well, which is kind of disappointing to hear myself say. But yeah, but yeah, let's start out, you guys. Start out. Yeah, I'm gonna go from January to December, and yeah, we're just gonna go in chronological order. I am gonna come up with another video, maybe a top 5, top 10. Maybe not top 10. Maybe I'll come up with the top 5 deals that I was able to cop from the outlet. So that'll be coming up. Yeah, without further ado, let's get it going, you guys. Y'all are not gonna believe the first sneaker that I did purchase at the outlet this year. January. Was able to cop the Concepts. People don't believe me about this one. Yeah, I was able to, I guess someone returned 2 pair. I was at the Torrance Nike outlet, and they gave me the full box and everything. I was walking in, and you know, I saw someone else looking at some pair of shoes, and I was like, what? And then they said, yeah, we happen to have one more. And I was like, I need that ASAP, bro. I need that ASAP. So I ended up copping these. You know, these were coming out for $140. I was able to cop these for 20% off on top of that. And yeah, you can't even find those for retail now. Or even back then, you couldn't even find it for retail. So that was pretty sweet. All right, so the second pair of sneakers. These really aren't fancy or anything. These are some Zoom Flies. I was actually looking at how much I paid for these, and I was like, why did I pay so much? But because I got it for like $80-some, and I'm like, Zoom Flies are not worth no $80-some, especially at the outlets. But I believe I got these. I got these with an MVP pass, so I was like, I had $50, and they were about to expire in like the night of or something. So I just said, hey, this was the only thing out there, so that's kind of what I had to get. All right, let's keep it moving, you guys. Keep it moving. Got me some Nike Dunks. Third pair, Nike Dunks. This was in January. This was in January as well. Yeah, Nike Dunks. These were actually a collab with the Small Skate Shop. I actually forgot the name of the colorway, but yeah, these are fire. I love these sneakers. And I'll talk to you guys about how much I paid later. I don't want to get into how much I paid for every sneaker because some of it I don't remember, and some of it, yeah, I kind of want to leave it in suspense for my best cops of the year and whatnot. But these, yeah, they were cheap. LeBron 14 Mag colorway. I was so stoked to cop these at the outlet, man. Yeah, definitely paid under $100 for these. I wasn't sure if I should include the sandals, man. I've sandals or slides. I think that's what Nike calls them. But yeah, I copped these, I think in February. Jordan 7 Hydros. Probably one of the ugliest Hydros you can get, but they're comfortable as hell, man. Got some arch support. You guys aren't going to believe this one either. Super Bronze LeBron 3s. And yeah, caught these at the outlet. Got them for what, 30% off or something? I don't know. I paid a little over $100. I think it was like $140 or something, as opposed to the $170 when it came out. Super happy with these. Next pair, you guys, the LeBron 16 King of Thrones. King of Thrones, man. I was hella surprised to find these at the outlet. I actually got a full box and everything. Someone had just returned these, and yeah, they were behind the cash register. They were behind the cashier, and I just said, hey, what's up with those? They said someone just returned them. I was like, I need to try them on. Yeah, got them for 20 or 30% off. I don't remember, but yeah, these were sold out at the time. Got them at the outlet, guys. And I think that's about when I started to realize, hey, you can find exclusive stuff at the outlets. Like, what the hell? Why is everybody paying full price? Yeah, I started hitting the outlets really hard after that, and that's kind of how I ended up getting this channel, that type of stuff. But yeah, that started. The LeBrons and the Kyries, man. Those are kind of what got me fiending and got me going to the outlet so often. Moon Racers, hella comfortable. Full length React. This one is kind of like a Nike Cortez meets a Vapor Street. That's kind of what those pair of shoes remind me of. Air Force 2s. Air Force 2s, man. Everybody loves the Air Force 1s, but Air Force 2s get no respect. They really remind me of the Dunks. They feel and look very, very similar to the Dunk Lows. Love those sneakers. Copped them for a steal. Alright, Kobe Protros. These are the MLPS colorway. Some people try to say, what others? I've seen all these other weird colorways, but yeah, this is the MLPS colorway. This ain't no UNC colorway. This ain't no any other place with baby blue. This is MLPS, you guys. This is a Kobe. Come on, give him some respect. Pennies. I'm gonna be honest, these aren't the most comfortable. I probably overpaid for these. But these were just dope. When I was in high school, these were just the business. That's kind of why I bought these. So yeah. Okay. Oh man, y'all gonna be hella surprised about this one. I haven't really seen too many people talk about these. The Mochas, you guys. Jordan 3 Mochas. Hella clean. No defects or nothing. Just guess they didn't sell. Because these did sit. You guys know these sit. So, man, love these. Haven't even worn them, to be honest. They're white, so I've been afraid to get them dirty. But man, these are beautiful. Freaking love these. And the leather is so A1, man. A1. And then this actually came from the aisles. I rarely ever buy anything from the aisles because you don't get that much of a discount. So, but yeah, I think I got this on the MVP pass or something. Nikes. I got this on the MVP pass or something. Friends and family. I got these on Friends and Family, so I got an extra, extra $30. What was it? Extra 30% off or something? Off of anything? The Laneys, you guys. Laney 5s. Man, I still see these at the outlet, man. These are totally underrated. You know, got that nubuck right here. You know, quality's not bad. Quality is not bad. I'm a big fan of these. Haven't worn them yet. I have no clue why I haven't worn them. I need to throw these bad boys on. Definitely need to throw them on. And then this actually came from the aisles. I rarely ever buy anything from the aisles because you don't get that much of a discount. So, but yeah, I think I got this on the MVP pass or something. Nikes. I got this on the MVP pass or something. Friends and Family. I got these on Friends and Family, so I got an extra, extra $30. What was it? Extra 30% off or something? Off of anything? The Laneys, you guys. Laney 5s. Man, I still see these at the outlet, man. These are totally underrated. You know, got that nubuck right here. You know, quality's not bad. Quality is not bad. I'm a big fan of these. Haven't worn them yet. I have no clue why I haven't worn them. I need to throw these bad boys on. Definitely need to throw them on. All right, next pair. How exciting, a pair of slides, Benassi slides. Hella comfortable, man. I haven't tried the Boost. They have some Boost slides now. I'm Dying to get my hands on those. But man, this is Boost-esque. I can't wait to try the Boost, see if they're any more comfortable than this. Got some sort of foam on it, man. Hella comfortable. Air Max 2017. Not everybody's a fan of these, you know. I know Ballin' on a Budget hates these. He always talks trash, but you know what? It's all good because we like what we like, and I like these. I'm a big fan of these. I love the full length Air Max unit. You know, I like the upper. The upper's comfortable as hell. Copped them for hella cheap too. Can't go wrong with that. I think I got these for like 60 bucks. Blazer lows, you guys. So the patchwork edition. Hella crazy, hella bright. People always ask me about them when I wear them. $32. $32. Got them for hella cheap, man. I did cop my first pair of Vapor Max this year. Really dope. I love these. I only paid $77 for these. Hell of a deal. Hell of a deal. I did buy a bunch of slides. Or sandals. I bought a bunch from Shoe Palace as well, but I was looking through my records and yeah, apparently I bought both of these at the Nike outlet. Have I worn these? I don't even know if I've worn these. Jordan 13 Hydros. Atmosphere green. Oh, Altitude green, my bad. Altitude green. Pretty dope, pretty dope. Big fan of these. I sold a few of these for $70. Got them for 20 bucks, sold them for $70. Can't complain about that, shoot. You know what I'm saying? Shit. Let's see what's up in this thing. Oh, Jordan Hydro 3s. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't even opened these up. Look pretty dope. Got that white cement feel. Not bad, not bad. I caught both of those for $21. $21. Another Jordan box. I actually got these off the clearance rack, but the people were hella nice. I actually found one with the box top. I asked one of the staff members to see if they have any Jordans in the back. He brought me 3 pair of Jordans, the FIBA 4s, these, and the Atmosphere Grays. I already had the Atmosphere Grays, and I wasn't into the FIBA 4s, so I was like, hey, do you mind if I take the one with the box? And he was like, hell yeah. So I got the box top, I got a full box and everything. Laser 4s, you guys, Laser 4s. Pretty dope. I like the gum colorway. I like the white. I like the black. Worn it a few times. Dope. Got it for 100 bucks. $100 freaking dollars. Zoom Freaks. All Bros colorway was sold out by the time when I did get these. If you guys saw this video, man, y'all know I stole this from the outlet. Air Force One canvas. Yeah, nothing too crazy, but Air Force Ones, man. Don't have any Air Force Ones, so thought I'd get my first pair of Air Force Ones. Jordan Chinese New Year 12s. I think these were like one of Jordan's most expensive shoes. Like, I think this was last year, or was it this year? This year. This was earlier this year. I think this was their most expensive shoe of the year. Got these for over 50% off. Pretty stoked about that. I was hella happy about that. I think I bought these the same day. These are women's size 12, which is a 10.5, and guys, 28 bucks, man. $28 for some solid running shoes. Colorway is dope too. I love that colorway. You guys should have seen this. If you guys watch my videos, you guys definitely saw this purchase. Black Friday weekend. First purchase of, I think. Is that my only purchase of Black Friday weekend? But yeah, Santa Clarita Clearance Center. Got pick these bad boys up. About 45 bucks something? $40? $42? I don't know. It was cheap, man. That's cheap. 75% off retail. Can't complain about that. My latest purchase, y'all ain't even seen this one. Y'all have not even seen this one because the video, I haven't put it up yet. Have not put it up yet, but yeah, I picked these up a couple days ago. Jordan 6 PSGs, you guys. PSGs, Paris Saint-Germain's collab done with the European company. But yeah, man, these are hella clean. I think these and the infrareds are my two favorites. Notice I didn't say the Travis Scotts, which I do have. I like these better. Kind of crazy. Obviously, I'm not a hypebeast. That's it, you guys. Those are all my purchases from the Nike outlets. But you know what? I kind of want to share something else. One sec. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So these, I didn't get these at the Nike outlet. But you know what? I wanted to share these with you guys. Why? Because if you're patient, you can get some deals. Especially if sneakers are sold out. You guys can find deals. You guys can. I bought these at Shoe Palace. Shoe Palace. I had these on my video. The Nostalgia 4s. $100. $100 freaking dollars. No outlet. Still able to cop for $100, you guys. You know, because some of you guys don't have outlets near you, right? But you know what? If you're patient, you shop around, do some research, you can find some deals. Jordan 2 Mellows. Jordan 2 Mellows, my favorite colorway of the Jordan 2s. Where did I cop these? The Jordan store. Whoever thought the Jordan store, the Jordan flagship, whoever thought they would have deals. Cop those bad for $100, $100. Check that video out, you guys. I did get those. And the reason I wanted to share this stuff with you is because this is why I started going to the outlets. Like, they just got crazy deals, and that's why you guys watch my videos. So that's why I wanted to share this with you guys. If something doesn't sell out, you don't need to be in a hurry to get that colorway or that silhouette or whatever. Because a lot of times it shows up at the outlets, you guys. Shows up at the outlets. Not everybody has outlets close to them. But if there is an outlet near you, show a little patience. Unless you live in Tulare, because, man, that one sucks. Sorry, you guys. Sorry for those of you guys who live in Central California. But that one really does suck. But other than that, everywhere else you guys have chance to cop really sick shoes for really good deals. So yeah, be patient, you guys. Be patient and try to hit up them outlets as much as you can. Let me know what sneakers you saw today were your favorite. Let me know what you think was the best deal. Obviously, some of the stuff I didn't give out the prices because we're going to talk about that in my top 5 deals video, which should be coming in a day or two. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought was the best deals. Let me know what you guys thought was this best sneaker that you guys saw. And yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you're new. Make sure you guys press that like button. And yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Peace. Damn, I'm tired, man. I gotta put all this crap away. Damn, man, it's like sneakers everywhere, man.